Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to resell in Wallapop. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Wallapop, and we get into this website. Now to sell something, we can see this upload option over here. So let's tap on this in the bottom. Now here you can choose the type of things you can sell or resell. So if you click on something I don't use anymore, so here you can add the products you don't use anymore and add your item details and click on continue. Now here we need to add all of the information of our product. You can add the description, you can add hashtags here. All of the informations are done. Simply click on post ad. So this is all we can do to resell product on Wallapop. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.